Hey guys, Mav here. Today we're putting in the Turbo Nap mattress upgrade from GoFast. I'm really excited to be upgrading the mattress in the same, just since I'm a side sleeper, it's kind of rough. My hips get real tore up from the factory mattress that's in there, so usually we take a self-inflating mattress with us, but it takes up a lot of space, so I think this is going to be a great upgrade for the GoFast since it's already just inside the tent and we don't have to pack anything extra. So I'm just gonna throw on some music and you can kind of follow along me installing this. Super easy to do. If I wasn't recording this, I could probably do this install in 30 minutes, if that. So enjoy. So you can see the two materials side by side. The newer one, the green one on the left, is actually way softer on top. The blue one, the original, is more of like a heavy-duty material, where the bottom of the new one is the heavy-duty material that goes inside the bed. And then when you get up into the camper, you have that nice soft material. Okay, so the Turbo Nap mattress is in. Super comfy so far compared to the original mattress that was in here. It was like a 2-inch, 2-piece foam mattress. One was like a stiffer foam and then a softer foam on top, where this is a 3-inch, the stiffer foam, 1-inch on the bottom and a 2-inch thicker foam on top. It's super comfy. I think I want to try it out for sure on a camping trip. Since I'm a side sleeper, my hips will be all tore up, but we'll see how it feels with this new Turbo Nap system from GoFast. And I guess they're putting these all in the new campers that are coming out. So if you have a camper on order or a rooftop tent, you're going to be getting one of these in the new model. So that's kind of nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Got some more content coming for the Tacoma, so stay tuned. This year is going to be pretty big for camping and overlanding, off-roading and stuff for the truck. So you want to stay tuned, then make sure to hit subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys again here soon. Peace out.